Hey, Earster, Sid here with another ear collection video. If you've been here before, you already know. We look at ears as art pieces on this channel. Today we are going to Shop the Magic Factory. The website will be in the description box below. Love these ears. They're all 3D printed, thermal plastic filament used in the 3D printing process. They are non-toxic. Well made. They feel durable and of high quality. The bow and ears come as a package, and the headbands are sold separately. Of course, it's interchangeable. And without further ado, hold on a minute. Go back. We have mug of the day. Bam. Look at her. Isn't she cute? I got her at Disneyland Paris. Super cute. It's like the Eiffel Tower with the fabulous 6. Excuse me. No, it's got the chipmunks on here. So it's not this fabulous 5 or sensational 6. It's whatever 8 is. Look at these dudes. Donald and Daisy, Mickey Minnie, and the back. Bam! Stitch. First up, we have bam! We have Small World. Love these ears. Gold and white glockenspiel, which we've seen him before, from the Small World facade. As you know, Small World is a favorite OG ride, of course. And these are motorized ears. Ooh. Oh yeah. When you're wearing these babies, you're going to hear a little bit of the motor, but that's okay. Small price to pay for looking fabulous. Close up, you have the glockenspiel and the bow. And on the bow, you have diamantes or diamantes. How do you pronounce it? I think it's diamantes. And then the other ear repeats with glockenspiel, white and gold. Super cute. And the interior of the headband has a grip. And it's that hard 3D filament. And the back, bam! You have the facade from Small World print. And the screws for changing the AA battery. And the other ear repeats. Super cute. Next up, we have bam! Inside Out core memory ears. Are you kidding me? These are to die. These are so cute. All of these ears are in my collection till death do we part. And then I hope they can go to someone else who loves them as much as I do and not dump them. Anyway, you have core memory and you have like fear, bing bong, disgust, joy, anger, sadness. She's my favorite. Ennui's also my favorite. And close up. The memory balls move around in these ears. That is so cute. And you have joy represented. You have fear. You have sadness and disgust represented. And the bow is super cute with the little diamantes. And then on this side, it repeats. Isn't that fun? And of course, the package will be 2 ears and the bow, and the headband is sold separately, as you know, but you only need to buy it once. And then the back. Bam! So cute. I hate this part of the video, but last up we have, bam, I give you Carousel, inspired by King Arthur's Carousel in Disneyland, or Prince Charming's Carousel in Magic Kingdom, or of course you have Le Carousel du Lancelot in Disneyland Paris, which I love. You have the mirror gold acrylic detailing for the horses. Super cute. And you have to be careful with these ears to not scratch the mirror according to the description with the delivery packaging. And it operates with 2 AA batteries, just like Small World. Not sure if I said that. And let's check these puppies out. Oh yeah. It's giving Charlie and the Chocolate Factory with the colors and the motor. I don't know, it's just reminding me of the movies. So cute. So cute. Can you imagine walking around all day with these babies? I don't think I would have them on the entire time because that would just destroy the battery too quickly. But here and there, pop it on for a little bit of pizzazz would be super cute. Close up. You have the little horses. You have fleur-de-lis and diamantes on the bow. Super cute. And then you have the other ear that repeats. Interior of the headband has the grip. And bam, the back. Thanks for watching. Set out. And to take these apart, they simply pop off and pop on. Let's see if I could do it. 1. Come on, pop out for me. 2. 3. And then you have the little holes here for each part. Ears, the bow, and the other ear just sets right inside there. It will come with these 3 pieces. I can show you. And then we'll just pop them back on. I like to start with the bow because it kind of sits in the front. So just pop that in. Like so. And then we'll do the right ear. Did it pop in? Yeah, it just popped in. And then we'll do the left ear. See? Super cute. And seamless.